Hello everyone, welcome to Analytic Solutions channel. In this chapter, we'll learn how to convert the date formats to ISO formats. In this example, we have the dates in day, month, and year. If you want to convert this into an ISO format, first let's type the day, month, and the year. Press enter. Now we'll use Control E, we get the result. Not only this, we can have month, day, and year. We can convert the date format in this way as well. Control E will give me the result. We can also change this to year, month, day. Select and press Control E, we get the result. We just have to mention in the first cell about the format what I need, and then we can select the cells, press Control E. This will give me the result. So this is flash fill. Thank you so much for watching this video.